Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to add manual time in our Upwork active contact. So for this we just need to click our active contact list. After active contact list we see that we have some active contact in our my job options. From here I click on one of my active contact. Surface and textile pattern design contract. After that I see that a option add time manually. Remember that we find this option only when a client give us the permission to add manual time. Otherwise we need to track the time using Upwork app. So I already complete my task for my client using my offline time, so I just put the time manually. Let's do this. Just click here. After that I need to put the working day here. For example, I complete the task in Monday, so I set date Monday October 14. Then how much time I add here. For this I need to put a start and end time. So start time 1 AM and I end my task at 5 AM. Then I just put the memo here that what I have done for my client. I put here it's a design ready and upload. Okay, after that I just click on save. Then within some second we see that here already add 5 hours time and also the amount as per the contract rate condition. Here is the process add manual time. I hope you understand how to add manual time in your Upwork contract. Thank you very much.